In this video, I will show you how to save open tabs when Google Chrome is closed. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, this is really good to do if you do have a lot of open tabs and there's things you're working on, but you want to close down Google Chrome, but when you reopen it, you want those tabs to come up again. Now, to do this, it's absolutely possible, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and on this menu, you want to come down and click onto settings. Now, once you've got your settings opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and from here you want to click onto the option which says on startup, and what we're going to do is select the option here which says continue where you left off, which basically means that when Google Chrome starts up, you're going to continue where you left off. In other words, all the tabs that you had opened will reopen at the specific point on where you was. So that is how to save open tabs when Google Chrome is closed. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.